This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about trash bags, specifically these RW Eco biodegradable can liners. And we have the 33-gallon liner here for you, but it also comes in 45 and 50. And you can see it's easy to open, separate those tops, get them inside, but it also has a really great seal there on the bottom and some nice gussets. So you're getting a nice generous bag size, and it's made out of this great translucent plastic. So it's really easy to identify your different types of waste when you've got stuff bagged up, or use these for things like sorting recycling, where you might want to be able to see what's inside. And these are crafted from EcoVivo, a plant-based bioplastic. They're commercially compostable and biodegradable. It's a naturally durable and tear-resistant plastic, so you're not sacrificing quality to be eco-friendly, which is fantastic, because nobody wants leaks, messes, or tears in their trash can or on the way to the dumpster. They contain no harmful dyes or colors to protect the environment while they decompose, and they're perfect for a variety of food establishments, but also retail shops for use in an office or even at home.